On the dashboard, you can check how many licenses are available for your enterprise. Host the license assigned to some member of the enterprise so that he can hold a meeting without time limitation. At the same time, the maximum participant is 500, which is after payment scheme your enterprise will choose. Yealink Room license is used for Yealink terminals, which is able to sign up Yealink Cloud with one license consumption. Now your VCS is listed in a member of their enterprise structure. In the following videos, we will introduce how to buy the room license with device. Room connectors mainly for third-party devices or all registered Yealink VC endpoints. A VC device, no matter which brand it is, can join Yealink Meeting by IP consider each product through a SIP protocol with one room connector consumption. It is very useful for the allowed brand device to reuse. Webinar package can be assigned to some members so that they can host and manage a webinar, which is mainly used for education or public speech. Up to 2,000 attendants are allowed per webinar. For PSTN license listed based on the full call minutes from PSTN, join a meeting with PSTN support as a full call. It is very useful when network not so qualified. For story ability based on story usage or meeting recording files. Meeting recording files can be shared with others for reviewing or if someone missed an important meeting. Live package is built based on the time consumption of live streaming. Live is mainly for formal or informal public broadcasting. Teams connector aims at a whole compatibility with Teams, which means as soon as configuration is done, Yealink account, no matter software or hardware, can join the Teams meeting by dialing with its number. Even the registered third-party devices can join Teams meeting via Yealink server.